What's up, guys? This is Sonic 3D Blaster here. I am on the Brighton Beach-bound B Express train. We already left the Lancaster Barclays Center. The next stop is going to be 7th Avenue. Right now, we're in the process of helping a person get to Newkirk Plaza, which is 4 stops away. Okay, we are now leaving Church Avenue. That means the next stop is Newkirk Plaza. Alright, man, this is Newkirk Plaza.
Take care.
Yeah, you too.
You make a video.
Yes. Okay.
Take care.
Yeah, you too. That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blast, dude, and I'll see you next time.